Jank Kitchen. Today we're doing Oreo Mac, which before you say, oh, that sounds weird, people do Oreo cheesecakes, and an Oreo cheesecake is kind of like an Oreo macaroni without the noodles. So it's gonna be awesome. First, I'm going to stuff a bunch of Oreos into a bag and just smash them up. Once I'm done smashing, I'll take 100 grams of milk, and that can get heated to a simmer with some of our Oreos. As that heats, I'll take 100 grams of cream cheese, as well as 50 grams of Comté. All of our cheeses can get added to a blender with 2% of our total weight of cheese and liquid in sodium citrate. It can get closed up and blended until it makes a nice smooth Oreo cheese sauce like this. I'll then cook some noodles in some boiling salted water until just before al dente. They can then be strained and we'll go straight in with our sauce. This can get mixed and warmed up over low heat. I'll also add some chopped up mozzarella for cheese pull, and at the very end, more of our Oreo crumble. This can get loaded into a serving dish and garnished with more Oreo crumble. Isn't it beautiful? Okay. I feel like I can't eat any more of that because I'll basically eat 2/3 of a package of Oreos in one day, which I don't need to do. But it's really good. It's better than I thought it would be, and I thought it would be pretty darn good. I thought the noodles would be a little weird. They're not. The noodles are completely fine. They just have this little bounciness to the, almost like the sauce I made is almost like a chocolate pudding. That could be served on its own, but Oreo Mac, pretty damn good. Really all the Comté does is add a little bit of saltiness, which is kind of nice in it. It needs something like that. It could go for a little bit more depth of flavor with the cheeses, so maybe use something stronger. It's really pretty decent. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more mac and cheese, and let me know if there's any mac and cheeses you would like to see in the future.